Ironworkers lay the massive central keel plate onto the wooden keel blocks in the Harland and Wolff shipyard.
Pull, lads! Steady on now! Now!
The rivet cools and contracts, pulling the two steel plates together with immense force. The internal double-bottom cellular structure is revealed, showing a maze of steel.
Up on the winch! Hold the line steady! Steady!
The ship's prow begins to take its iconic sharp shape.
Steady, lads, keep her straight.
Watch your feet now.
Ease down, hold fast.
The propeller shafts are aligned using precision optical instruments of the era. The hull reaches the height of the shelter deck.
The upper hull is painted black, showing the ship's final colors.
The name Titanic is stenciled onto the bow.
Steel deck beams are riveted into place for the promenade deck.
The 3 propellers are attached to their shafts.
The massive funnels are constructed on the ground, using curved steel sections.
Heave it up! Watch the side there! Steady, steady! Steady, lads! Lower away! Watch your footing there!
The 3rd funnel is lifted, showing the sheer scale of the ship.
The 4th funnel, the dummy funnel for ventilation, is installed.
Hot oakum is pounded into the seams between the deck planks.
Melted black pitch is poured over the oakum to waterproof the deck.
The davits for the lifeboats are installed along the boat deck.
Lower away! Steady now, bring her back up! All right, lads, heave it up. Steady now, slide it in.
The massive anchor chains are fed into the chain locker. The central anchor is raised into its housing on the bow.
The bridge is fitted with steering wheels and telegraphs.
The interior woodwork is brought on board in large crates.
The decorative wood carvings are nailed into the first-class lounge.
The floor of the first-class dining saloon is tiled.
The ship's massive whistles are attached to the funnels.
The coal bunkers are filled with the first load of coal.
How's this row look?
Seems tight enough. Put your mark on it. Mark on it. The massive wooden shores holding the ship upright are removed.
The Marconi wireless aerials are strung between the masts.
The signal flags are raised for a final inspection.
The carpets are laid down in the first-class corridors. The ship's furniture is uncovered from its protective sheets. A final inspection of the double-bottom tanks is completed.
The launching triggers are greased one last time. The ship sits ready, towering over the shipyard.
A final check of the steering gear in the stern. The grand staircase clock is wound for the first time.
The last of the scaffolding is dismantled around the bow.
The sun reflects off the freshly polished teak decks. Mark stands at 21.
21! Noted. Noted.
The final rivet is polished and inspected.